If you're living in the Philippines, you know floods are no joke. Here's what's being done to fight back. From giant river dikes to high-tech drainage systems, the Philippines is stepping up its flood control game. In Metro Manila, massive pumping stations help clear water fast. Officials are planting more mangroves. Mangroves act like natural sponges. But it's not just about big projects. Simple things, cleaning up waterways, proper waste disposal make a huge difference. So the next time it rains, remember, flood control is teamwork, government, communities, and you. Stay prepared and stay safe.